Master the art of digital presentations. Hello, learners. Welcome to our video on mastering the art of digital presentations. In the digital age, being able to deliver effective online presentations is a crucial skill. Today, we're going to explore some key tips to help you excel in your digital presentations. Digital presentations offer us a unique opportunity to reach audiences around the globe, cutting across geographical boundaries. However, they also come with their own set of challenges. Distractions are easier, connection issues can arise, and maintaining audience engagement can be tricky. But fear not, with the right strategies, you can overcome these hurdles and deliver an impactful presentation. Before you start crafting your slides, plan your presentation thoroughly. Understand your audience and their needs. Organize your thoughts and structure your content logically. Remember, a clear message delivered in a concise manner can have a powerful impact on your audience. When designing your slides, keep them simple and visually appealing. Avoid text-heavy slides and use relevant images or graphs instead. Ensure a good contrast between the text and the background, and choose a font size that is easily readable. The way you deliver your presentation is just as important as the content itself. Speak clearly and maintain a steady pace. Use body language effectively, even if you are not physically present with your audience. A good webcam and a clear audio setup are also essential for a smooth presentation. An engaged audience is a sign of a successful presentation. Involve your audience by asking questions or encouraging feedback. Use interactive tools like polls or quizzes to increase audience participation. Remember, a two-way interaction can make your presentation more dynamic and memorable. Despite our best preparations, technical glitches can happen. The key is to remain calm and have a backup plan. Always have your presentation saved in multiple locations, have a backup for your internet connection, and be prepared to deliver your presentation even without slides if needed. There you have it. These were some of the tips for delivering an effective digital presentation. With practice, you'll be able to master these skills and captivate your online audience. Practice, perseverance, and patience are your best friends on this journey. We hope this video was helpful and wish you all the best in your future digital presentations. Stay tuned for more such videos on improving your English language skills. Happy learning!